But it was good having you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This hair. I can touch this hair till December. And I will not be tired.
Brotherhood leave.
I'll
miss you guys.
You're looking good.
So, Uju Olympi. My sweet, adorable wife.
Oh.
So, this is for you, personally for you. For your makeup and everything. Make sure you don't give my brother a dime from it.
Yeah, only me. This money.
No. Anya need it. She needs it.
I need it
yes,
to shine. This is for shining. Non-stop shining. Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't mention.
You deserve this and even more. Thank her for me.
My sister, I'm thanking her
for
already.
Me. We love you.
We love you right back. Don't worry. I'll be back.
No.
So I gotta go now.
Okay, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Izzy, start the car. We're leaving. So, I'll miss you. I love you.
I love you.
So, take care of my wife. My wife, take care of my sweet
I
always take care of her.
He's my baby boy.
Can't you see she's shining?
Of course. She has always been beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Alright, guys, I gotta go now.
Oh, she gotta go.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey. Bye. I love you.
Okay.
Bye. Oh. Shut up, Bosco. No my way. No, keep waving. Chacha Eke. Wave and disappear into the sky. In fact, chase after her, enter her boot, so that she will carry you along. Look at 50,000. No, it's 50,000 that is good enough to give Uju Olympics. Look at the hair. This hair and all the other hairs Amaka used to wear. If she bought it anything less than 700,000, he came. That is Abu Bawachamunike.
Is it your money?
Yes.
Is it your money?
The money she used to buy hair can buy motor. But when it's time to give Uju Olympics money to maintain herself, she will give me 50,000. Yes, but she can be like this. I walk like this. I gotta go. Don't worry. If this Eka chair that she used to give me, look at it. I challenge you. Look at this hair and see if it makes you happy. Does it? Come here and see the wife you married. And I am 50,000. Amaka will use style and be insulting me because she have money, because she knows the way to city. Then in Nollywood, glorify boy, and you're happy about it. Don't worry, I know what to do. It will only be a matter of time. Yes, sir. No, come because this anger that I have in me, if I have mind, if it's not for one thing, Amaka, if it's not for one thing, I would have shown you my true self. Now I'm waiting for the right time. You will know. You will surely know that I have just been packaging myself for you. In a 50,000. Even that your driver, say, do you pay him 50,000? Don't worry. I know where they sell cream that make you like this. The insult will end soon. When I begin to eat money, and watch out. Watch out. Watch out because I try more than you. You will then know why all the way from secondary school they call me Uju Olympics. You will know. In the year 50,000. In the year 50,000 round. So it can buy a few things. But it cannot buy. Okay.
My name Nuju. Uju Reju.
Don't rush me. Are you from Russia?
I want to be in charge. No one they collect change at all. I no send my she husband. Na him sabi as as I want them, now so I go get them. Na me beke wafia, ekeleti bobodo nyemo nyembo. I be happy lady.
Where are you coming from?
I don't understand. What kind of nonsense question is that? Can't you see I'm coming from Amaka's place?
You are not driving around her car, cruising around the village as if you are the owner. Why can't Amaka buy you a car? Or better still, that she want?
Who is this? Eh? Must you vomit nonsense at every point?
Okodili, you are the one behaving in a nonsensical manner. You are behaving like you are senseless, in fact. Look at you. Look at you, somebody's husband. Uju Olympics husband behaving like a homeless rat that has no self-esteem. Look at you. Look at you. Uju Olympics husband following Amaka about like a homeless rat. Have you no shame?
For what?
Yeah.
For what he fell again?
Amaka buy land. You are there to secure the arena for her. Amaka build hotel. My husband, Uju Olympics husband, is there as contractor, contracting laborers to do the work well.
Because I have sense.
Amaka comes back to the village. Okodili is there as her driver and gate man.
You think I don't know what is going on?
What is going on?
Yeah? Amaka buys everything you use. Buys bag of rice, you take. Amaka gives you money. Amaka buys hair for you. Amaka bought this for you, bought that for you. You take. You think I don't know? Eh? You're just a shameless wife.
I am not.
You can't even go and work for your own money. You're there. Picking from your own fellow woman. And you're forming that is her dad that is buying all those things.
You that is talking, are you working for your own?
At least I'm the one taking care of her land and properties.
You mean her boy?
And she's paying me.
Okay, go and work like others and pay yourself. A woman is paying you and you are happy. Go and work for your own.
Cleaning you up.
Go and work for your own. You clean up.
But wait, let me ask you. Why are you people collecting this from Amaka? Why can't you be like me? A big machine pass. A big machine pass.
They chased you away from boy.
Me and you, we are not the same canopy. I am on your team. I hate Amaka. And this your brother here needs to have his brain examined. Your brain has started to malfunction, and in such a situation, if you need the bone, you need the hospital. Naija, go and take a cold bath and think about your life, because you are a disgrace to every man that walks on two legs.
Work out your own money.
After you work out your own first, and take care of your wife.
Stop eating your fellow woman's money.
Stop following a fellow woman about. Go and make your money. Easy life. Aspire. You be in a gutter. You think I will be here and you go and live with that Amaka because you have house. That's too yapogok. You hear them, Maggie? Yeah. Boo ogene. Oya na chogene. Amaka na chog okudili. You hear them? Woo! I don't blame you. It's me that ended up here now. But today, you will stop. You will beg me. Come and eat this afternoon. Make sure you go, okay? You know that it's not me, Uju Olympics.
But Uju, let me ask you. Do you really collect things from Amaka? No, tell me, did you collect things from her?
General market.
That is not the question. Okay?
Hold on. Someone will pick two. Okay, I have picked two, I don't understand.
Did you collect things from Amaka?
Play the game now.
No. Nobody should advise me. Don't advise me. I don't need your advice, Mama. Don't tell me what to do.
Ndoka, let me tell you something. The ear that does not listen to the words of the elders and the words of wisdom, when the head is cut off, it goes with the head. Mama Uchechi came here warning me to tell you to leave her daughter alone. Ndoka, I beg you, leave Uchechi alone. Ndoka, Leave Uchechi alone. Stop following her up and down.
Mama, that is not possible. As your chakunasi, let me tell you what you don't know. I have chosen a life for myself. I love Uchechi with all my heart, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. I have focused and planned my life in a way that it is going to be me and Uchechi forever.
Hey.
So there is no point you advising me. In fact, what you're supposed to be doing right now is to preparing for Mugo.
Mama, brother love. Brother love.
Metron, shut up, my friend. Who told you to talk here? Mama, is she not supposed to be at the hotel where she's working?
I have stopped her. I've stopped her from working in that hotel.
Mama,
because she's small.
Mama, I say it's impossible. I cannot stop working in that hotel. Nobody will stop me because you not give me any work. Ha!
Adam and Eve. Mama, did you just say that she is small? This one? Listen to me, Mama. That she is down to earth does not mean that she is humble. How can you say that this girl that has numerous boyfriends following her around is a small girl? Okay. This,
Ndoka, that is not the bone of contention right now.
Yes.
Go
change.
All I'm telling you is, leave Uchechi alone. Ndoka, I don't want to lose you. Actually, leave Uchechi alone. Leave her alone. They will kill you. They will kill you.
They will kill me. Me.
They will kill you.
I am indestructible.
I'm warning you.
Mama.
I am warning you.
Mama,
You
have lost him.
have
Mama, you have lost him. Let us say Uchechi. But I can't what you're doing is you're loving the person that does not love you. Only you like it or like it.
Come on, shut up.
Mazi Okey and Mazi Bay, thank you so much for coming to my house. I'd like to express my gratitude. It's indeed an honor to have you here today.
Thank you, my daughter. You are indeed the true daughter of your late father, my brother. We're always happy whenever you come around us. Because Ibatarana, Ujadi,
Amaka, my daughter, your elder brother told us you came back and we decided to pay homage. And also to thank you specially for what you did for our family during the last New Year festival. You made us proud. You made us proud. You did wonderfully well. And Igwe himself sent his regards.
Thank
you so much, Uncle. I'll go to the palace and see the king before leaving town.
Try and see.
So nice. You can have this for your snow. 9.
I have to Hayanka. Man, I have to sing Gazanuku. God bless you.
Thank you, eh?
Hey!
That's the to and come.
Oh! This is more than snuff. In fact, let me go and
Okay, got them.
Alright, thank you
Just
so much.
if you will.
Thank you. Thank you. It's okay, don't worry. I'll be taking
Thank you.
Right. Ebuka, what is the problem? You've been acting strange. I've been looking for you everywhere. I came the other time I was told you went out. What is really going on? What happened? What went wrong?
I went to Owerri. I just came back yesterday.
Oh, please spare me that lies. Ebuka, you know that's not the truth. You didn't go anywhere. So what happened? Ebuka. Ebuka, you're my brother. And you know I love you so much. If there's anything I've done that is making you angry, open up to me. I promise you I'll apologize. I'm human, filled with imperfection. Okay? I don't know what the problem is, but whatever it is, I'm ready to make amends. Please. What's up with your traveling? The last time we talked about it, you said you were going to get back to me, which you never did. So, when exactly are you leaving for China?
I'm not traveling anywhere. I never told you I want to travel. I'm not interested. If I want to travel, a big in a machine pass can travel. Aging contacts. You gotta go. I can sponsor myself. I can take care of myself. So don't bother.
No. Something is definitely wrong, even though I can't place my hands on it. Ebuka, this is not you. Okay, fine. If you don't want to go to China, where would you rather go? Holland, London, America, Turkey, where? Ebuka, what is it? What is eating you up? I'm your sister. If there's any problem, you should let me know. This is not you. Please talk to me, please.
See, you did not offend me. You understand? You did not offend me. And don't bother forcing to help me to travel because it will not work. It will not go well for me. You gotta go. Leave me alone. See, can I go back to my father's compound? I'm not comfortable here again.
Well, it's okay. You can leave.
Thank you. It's not by force to help somebody. I never asked you to help me. A big in a machine pass, I told you again. So leave me alone.
What is going on? This is not the Ebuka I know. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. Very strange.
But wait, who does Amaka think she is? No, tell me, who does Amaka think she is? Because she has more money. Onekuzi konyo opuna wapazeli also. Let's start worshipping her. Huh? It's Bodoku that I'm blaming. It's Bodoku that I'm blaming. Because if not that he keep worshipping her like a god, she won't have the god to invite me. A big in a machine pass. Mbeblubo. She want to sponsor me to China. No, did I beg her that I want to go to China? Are your mama can't see China? Oh, China, is that China that will kill her? Rubbish. It's not her fault. It's Bodoku Dele. It's Bodoku Dele that I'm blaming. Ha! Is that China that will kill her?
A big machine pass.
Thank God. Thank God I met you, Ndoka.
God is here.
Ndoka.
A big machine
God
pass.
I met you.
A big machine pass.
Ndoka. So you have the God. Ndoka, you have the God to be weighing my girlfriend Uchechi. In a choose say big machine pass, Abi. No the now.
See, I don't understand. Are we quarreling? We are not supposed to be quarreling because your brother is marrying my sister. And that makes us in-law. But let me tell you, you are the one who is now going to be my problem because the same girl who church that I want to marry, you are allowing yourself to be seen around her. Do you want us to have relationship crisis? So you left Newi, where you are supposed to be doing your apprenticeship, boy, and you came down here to drag Uchechi with me. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. I am warning you because if you don't try it today, I will just finish you and kill you now.
Ndoka, you are warning a big in a machine pass. Being a trust about Luholugi, now you are warning me. Ndoka, do you want me to kill you? Ndoka, do you want me to kill you? You can't tell you get back now.
Me, Ndoka, full of life. You want to kill Ndoka when your name is just Ebuka. Did you not understand the difference? Ndoka full of life. Let me tell you, if you don't respect yourself and stay away from my woman, I will make sure that the life that I want to give you will turn to death here and now. Be very, very careful. I am warning you for the last time.
Asama Brugo, your woman. Ndoka, Asama Brugo, your woman.
Do you know my problem now? My problem is that if I start hitting you now, you are already wearing red, so people will not notice the blood. If not,
fight for me.
Me fight you or beat you.
This is want to beat me.
David against Goliath.
David, give me some pass, Ndoka.
See, this is David against Goliath, and I'm going to kill you now with just one stone. Watch now.
Jesus. Ndoka, it's me that I want to. It's me that I want to beat Abi. 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 Don't worry. This is just the beginning.
You took me unawares.
Eh? You're still talking. You're still talking. Don't worry. Ndoka, if you try me, if I see you close to Church again, just 1 inch close to her,
You took me unawares.
in Apuala. No man. No man. I'm not gonna talk so fast. You will see.
Hey! What just happened now? Hey! What just happened now? Come back! Come back here now! Now that I'm ready, you took me unawares. I'm going to see this now. Come back! Come back. Oh!
God, oh God, onye ka m bụkwanụ. Amaka, why do you embarrass me like this? Look at, is this not pure gold? Me, Ujolu pigs. You gave me. Amaka biko.
It's nothing, okay? I'm glad you love them.
Like this. Yeah, you mean if I start to walk away with this now, nobody will stop me?
They are all yours.
I see you wear this type of things. You are so sweet. I am Akachukwu. And you are spoiling me, oh. You are spoiling me for Okudili, oh.
I don't want you to lack anything, Ujunwa. I want you to be happy. You know my brother married a very beautiful wife. I want you to remain beautiful, happy, relaxed. I will do everything within my power to make sure you don't lack anything.
Is it the food that you eat that make you talk like this?
No.
You talk...
It's because I love you.
No, you talk like... You don't rush yourself. I think that's what happens when you have too much money.
I mean, I have the...
You have nothing to prove. You have it all. Hey!
Now you're beginning to crack me up.
I love you too much, Rico. Thank you.
Uchi, but there's something bothering me.
What is that? People that have money don't have anything that bother them.
The rich also cry. I'm so keen about my brother Ibuka. I'm worried.
I don't understand.
Okay.
Papa Igbo is the reason you are sad. How? How is it?
I want to send him out of Nigeria. China specifically.
Eh?
Yes. I want him to be a man. I want him to become somebody.
Why?
I love him.
I mean, of course. We all love him. It's just that he smokes a lot. Yes, and it's worrisome. The habit can put him and you in trouble. I'm telling you. Full of her. Ebuka will smoke year after year, non-stop. He is likely to travel there, set Oyibo man's house on fire. Their government will come and catch you. No, because you brought him there. You know what they say? Do you know
the problem? He declined.
Oh!
Ibuka opened his mouth and said to me, I don't want to go anywhere. If I want to go anywhere, I can afford it.
Hey! You see now, that's Ibuka for you. It's the Igbo that was talking through him. Jumbo size. Oh, no chair. He talk anyhow. So, he's helping you. It's your chi that is speaking out through him, warning you not to try it. Okay, some people deserve to go and have their lives change. If Ebuka wants to change, it has to start from village here. If he cannot change here, he will only become a disaster in China, America, anywhere you want to take him. You need. Nya! Now wow, you love too much. Ebuka will worry you like this. With all the money you have. All the money you have. Yeah? When you drink milk like this.
That reminds me, let me get you something to drink. Something chilled.
Yes! I like that. Something to make me fresh.
A minute.
Like, yes.
Sorry, excuse me.
I need it.
You're fresh.
No, I'm not fresh like you. You're too fresh. You drink only milk. Hi. This Amaka is enjoying. Just look at, she have gone, but the smell remains. Anunchi, one of these days, you can perfume, so that I spray on these clothes that you give me. Because this is not one of those kind Alsa people used to say. Don't do. Cross for Ujo Olympic. Ujo Olympic. I'm gonna. I wear this. I put jewelries. I put my face cap.
Mama, hey, Mama, take it easy now. Oh, take it easy, ma.
Am I the one that asked you to go and engage in a fight with your in-law? Am I the one? Huh?
Mama, hi, Mama, listen to me, Mama. I am fighting for love. I love Uchechi and I will do anything to make sure I have her. So if fighting for love is what it takes, I will continue fighting until I win Uchechi's heart.
Okay, since you are fighting for love, relax and take the pains for love. Love fighter.
Mama, you see what you're doing, eh? You're just wasting your time on this man. You're just wasting your time, eh? What you're supposed to be doing now is, you're supposed to ask me to go and boil better hot water. Chalacha. If I bring it now, eh, you pour it on his eyes and blind him so that you stop seeing Uchechi. Now.
So you are wishing that your brother will go blind?
Mama, if he's
you're wishing him to go blind,
you will not see Uchechi. Brother, see, it's only when you see me, you start exercising your right as a man. Now face your fellow man, you will not face him. If I'm a body babini, oh, you go and face him, go and face him, or go 2 by 2, no. So knocking exercise right.
Evelyn, no draw one. Foolish girl. What they give one Evelyn? So you'll be happy if your brother go blind.
Now. Pour water on his eyes, blind him. Nonsense.
Mama, how can she be my sister when she's just low to the guy? Aye, Mama, all this side, come to this side. In fact, Mama, stop. Aye, Mama.
Ndoka, Mama, did I not want you to stay clear from Uchechi?
Mama, I cannot stay clear from the woman that I love. I will not do it. Okay, look at the pains you're passing through now. I'm so ashamed of you, Ndoka, that you sat down there and watch your fellow young man hit you like this. Mama, who hit me? Ebuka, who is feeding you with that kind of lies, Mama? Mama, he only took me unawares. Mama, you know me, I'm a very strong man. If not that so my legs slipped and then my socket left the position, would you have been doing this to me? Me, Ebuka hit me to the ground. I did not want people to say it that Ndoka killed his in-law. That is why I did not fight him. Ndoka, Ndoka, am I not the one that is pressing you this water? Did any place remain for you? Like that, let me finish pressing. Mama, you please stop. I'm tired. Go and I need those photos. So that you go into my system and do it. I need those photos. You need the photos. I should now go and prepare utazi soup for you to give you kudos that your fellow young man beat you. Mama, he did not beat me. He only took me unawares. You would have been there to see what I did to him. Do you know what my sister is doing to him now? Do you know if they are massaging him just the way you are? And they must have bought a boniki. You know?
Lie down. Let me finish the massage.
Mama, is it not my body? What my body needs now is tofu task.
Lie down before I do what your sister asked me to do.
Okay, both of you want to give me Abi?
Ebuka, you needed to have been there. Amaka said a lot. Yeah, she was castigating you. Left, right, center. Omegindoli. Yeah, Amaka Selikog. She shredded you into multiple pieces. What did she not say? I mean, where do I even begin? Okonkwo. She said a lot. She said that weed has taken over your brains, but you do not know, self. Because of your matter. Maka asked me if I remember that song. And I think to myself, why are we suddenly talking about that song? She said that anytime she sees you, she remembers that song. She said that you are nothing but somebody that is mad, but because you know Tobelude, Ilakwa, Odika, Ishaka, what did she not say? She said that in the history of your lineage, that you are the most idiotic. That Igbo has diverted your destiny. And I think again, Amaka, how do you know about his lineage? I mean, were you there? She said her mother and her mother's mother that they knew the story. They know Kandibu Nusiade, but you are not like them. She said every time she look at you, she feel nothing but pity. Because she see a full-bodied man on her knee, a West. And that many times it touched her heart to help you become a better person. Manani Kuka. She said you feel too big. Now you hang your hand as if you have money. Meanwhile you don't have shish. The blue body odor with the Igbo smell. Nah, bali. She said that she don't blame us, so that is because we are feeding you. That's why Ojidiki Shaka the game of that. If peradventure you used to smoke and lie down in the streets or in the gutter, your madness would have been confirmed. She said, that user. That Igbo has damaged your past life, your present, and even the future. She had to make reference to your failed boy mission. Nanewi. You went to do boy, but you could not concentrate because every time this is teacher, you now follow your boss, Mba. You want to beat your boss. You want to beat the fellow boys. What did they do? They push you back. And here you are. And I think to myself, I was feeling like, God, please give me a chance. Let me kill this girl. Her own is too much. Because I hate her. You know, it is not this flash that I hate her, Amaka. I hate her. It's because she have money now. That's why she can say anything. She said you smoke Igbo. Only God knows how she think about me in her mind. As for Okudili, we already know what and who Okudili is to her.
No, let me understand. She wants to help me. No, she wants to help me.
That's what she said.
Hi. A big na machine pass. Mbebulubo. I don't blame her. I don't just blame her at all. It's your husband that I'm respecting. It's your husband, but Okudili that I'm respecting. If not, my bossy, if not.
Who also? Ebuka, throw away spades. Now! You're respecting Onye? Whose husband? Do I have husband like this that respect? What is respect where Okudili is? Does Okudili deserve anybody's respect in this village, in this house? Talk more of respect from a full-blown man like you. Okudili Amahebu respect. Yeah, if somebody say Okudili super respect, can he spell it? And your head say, come on, yeah, disrespect. He deserves it. He has earned it. Okudili that goes about this village. He goes about disgracing me. Me, would you? Somebody's husband is somewhere right now doing boy work for another woman. As we speak, Okudili is probably washing her pants or her motor or plates that she used to eat or her dresses. He could be up to anything as far as whatever he's doing is in servitude to Amaka. Okudili is at it. Somebody that is idiotic like that, can you go she deserve all respect? Disrespect him, Wakem. Be a man. Be a man and give him jumbo size disrespect. Give him bigger. He has had it coming for a long time. Respect the way on. Ozumula husband material. No, I will be here.
I'm just waiting for one thing. It's your husband that I'm observing. I'm just observing him. I'm waiting for Okudi to do one despicable thing. I
like the film side. Our attachment is kickable. But I wait TV. That is, you are wake up. Agu, you wake up. Yeah, it's time to give him hot. I like that. I like the sound of it. I will be here. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. That finally you have had enough, because I have had enough for the longest time. But now that you have wake up, no, if I know Kumakia, what do you mean, sir? Ebuka, your fellow young boys smoke Igbo and if you in Haji Blue, okay, they become manly physically, manly in their actions, in their decision. Everything manly. Because we have given them morale. Come on! Humble him! Okay. I will sponsor it. The name sounds like it's an upgrade. Say it again. Oh yeah, ego. I sponsor it. Our kids only take two now. Yeah, only take more. Do it! You need all the ginger. All the ginger that will provoke you to be a man and face Okudili and Amaka squarely. You need it. When they say Amolo, Sepu Amolo, okay? Can not go about nature Okudili. Oh, my guitar. You know what I'm going to quality. Even meet me. Come meet me here. Okudili. Jebe. Ebuka. When you finish, tell me how much they said the Canada one. I sponsor it. Because now, by the time I jam my... The ginger you will bring, in addition to the anger that I have been brewing, it will be enough combination to match Amaka and Okudili squarely.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Once again, you're welcome at the seat.
Thank you.
Once again, you're welcome. I am happy to see you.
I'm delighted, my king.
And I want to thank you for all your support towards the development of this community. We are grateful.
Thank you so much, my king.
And how is your husband?
Oh, he's doing very well. He sends his regard.
It's okay. In fact, I want to tell you that we are happy to have someone like you in our community. You always answer when we call. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my king. I'm honored.
Welcome.
As you know, my visit to the village would never be complete without coming to pay homage to my king. That's why I'm here to see you. I'll be going back to the city.
It's okay.
I decided to see you briefly.
It's okay, my daughter.
This is also for your cooler.
Again?
It's nothing.
Thank you very much, my daughter. May the God go with you.
He said.
And may you always see favor.
He said.
We get home safely.
Thank you so much. I have to be on my way. I will call you.
Bye.
Bye, Your Highness. Eze.
Very good.
Yes, we are leaving.
Yes, community. Very good girl. This is good.
How are you?
Madam, well done.
Okay. So, Eze,
Ma.
you need to rest, okay? Thank you so much.
Madam, I will rest immediately. I'm done washing the car.
Not in this scorching sun. Relax your nerves. You do that later.
Babe, listen, no verse. No verse, I want to ask you something.
Jacob, since your head not correct, they see me, they carry bag. No, you help me carry the bag. They say you won't ask me. What do you want to ask me?
As you dey offload this bag now, you suppose dey offload mango or cashew, even peanut. Una no buy anything for me. Una no pass the sell uku or any place where get uku.
So
Even common banjo banana, una no even buy.
I suppose buy you banana and granite. As you dey watch your weight now. You do diet. You're a big boy.
Big boy.
You know what?
Let's say you are very wicked though. You cannot even buy something for me. Do you think that opening this gate and closing it is easy? I'm doing that because of you. So that you can be buying me something as a bribe.
I pushing or summit, go to the fruit, right?
Yes.
You know what they are going to do next time? You give me money. I will buy all those things for you.
You dey craze? You dey craze, answer? I don't feel talking for your back.
My friend, go and watch that car. Go and watch that car.
Watch which car? This car. This one na caterpillar. Because they told you that the sun is caution. That's why you will be coaching this car. That is not even your own. You don't even have driving license. His head like I can wait. One day now you offload your destiny inside this boot. That time you will know your papa and mama house. You no go come out for here. Man, know the one why. So, una must to give me something, no? If they don't find anybody when they this up where you no go give me anything to drop at all.
So how is the people in the village?
They are all fine, baby. They sent their regards. What about Uncle Ibe? He's my favorite uncle in that village.
We all know that. He sent his regards. He said he's missing you.
Oh, alright.
So how is Okudeli, your stepbrother?
He's doing very well, absolutely well with everything. Yeah.
Good one.
And the wife too, Oju. She's looking so beautiful, baby. You need to see her. So, who missed me?
Oh, baby.
I know you did.
I hope you're enjoying the meal. Because I prepared.
I know. How to go, Daddy? You've tried.
Just that?
Of course, I'm a better cook.
God.
Let's be sincere, I'm a better cook. Okay. It's delicious.
She has turned my husband into a puppet.
You don't mean it.
Completely.
Hey.
Listen to me. If your husband maintaining peace and relationship with his sister is what you call puppet, then I support your husband. Yes.
Simple thing. Simple thing that I told Okudili, my husband, to do. He refused. He refused to do it. He refused to support me. My husband. My own husband. He refused.
But why?
Because of Amaka.
Hey, you see it.
Because of her.
You see it. Tell her that same thing that you told your husband, that he refused to support you. Yes, say it!
Yes, what is it that you told your husband to do that he refused?
No, wait first. What is your own in this discussion, Seth? Why are you here? Are you the one I came to discuss with? Are you Mama now? Because if you refuse to go, just use needle and thread. Stitch this your mouth. If I ever come here again, I will tell you what it is in private.
Oh.
He doesn't deserve to hear it.
You
know he talk a lot.
You see it? No, Mama, what else do you want to hear? Children of God are known for bringing things open for the people to see. Why the devils incarnate always know how to put things in the private? Is it not obvious that you are evil? Is it not obvious that what you are trying to tell your husband to do is something that is so much an evil and he has refused to do it, and that is why you are not happy?
Yes, Luciano. How do you know what it is I told my husband? No, tell me, since you are now everywhere. Yes, you are the invincible Ndoka. Mind your business, oh. Mind your business. In fact, get out.
Mama, what is wrong with Okudili taking care of the properties of his stepsister?
Nothing is wrong.
Okudili is taking care of his stepsister's properties, and that is why my sister here is so much peppered and angry.
Uju?
Yes.
Is it true?
Look at this boy. No, continue. I like the way the words flow effortlessly from your mouth. Omachancha, professor of marriage, BSc, PhD, Yenine. Look at his mouth. Yes, are you married? Where is your wife again? Do you have wife? Do you have home? Have you been married? No, but it's easy to sit here and talk about how it should be. Disappear from here now. Disappear from
Enough! What is all this?
I will stop coming to this house because of him. Come on!
Stop coming. No.
You are the reason anytime I want to come, I think twice.
You better stop coming. Mama, I believe I am not married and I don't know anything about marriage. But I know that my sister, Obianuju, is so angry that Amaka is richer than her own husband. And the thing is just killing her up and down.
Oh, God.
See, that
God.
is an evil plan. Mama, do not listen to her if you want to live long. Do not listen to her.
Enough is enough.
It's
okay. Why is it that you people don't want to respect me?
Get out of this place now. Huh? Get out of this place now. Go. Come on, see that kwasilika wine. Give work. Come on. No. Come and sit and talk to me. You got that chooser. Enemies. If not for one thing, I will show this boy why they named me Ujo Olympics. What you say, because it's easy for you to sit down here and eat Mama Tankma and have strength and energy to talk to me. Are you a man?
You people will not kill me.
You
people will not kill me and I will not die. I refuse to die.
Mama, I may not be coming again because of Nduka. No. He insults me a lot. He does.
Uju, now that your brother has gone, what is it that you want to tell your husband and your husband refused? Can I hear it now? I'm all ears.
Mama, something is out of place.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
As if I am not really guessing the whole story. Where in Igbo land culture does a woman own properties that ought to be for the man of the house? No, I want to know. Why is Amaka sitting on so much wealth when my husband, Okudili, the rightful heir to his late father's property, is very much alive?
My daughter.
Why is this happening?
Yes, actually something is missing, my daughter.
Tell me.
What you don't know, you don't know it. I'm your mother, and I'm here to tell you stories about that family you got married.
So my husband has been hiding this from me. His father was a notorious criminal and fraudster. Yet, he did not tell me about it. Hey God, what am I going to do now? Should I let this rest? Or should I discuss it with him? Men will always be men. But I will show him that Uju Olympic cannot be toyed with.
Collect change at all. I no send my she husband, na him sabi. As I want am, na so I go get am. Na me beke wofia, ekeleti wobodo nyemo nyembo. I be happy lady.
Sister, I would love to have a word with you.
Go on.
Sister.
What is it? Are you alright?
Sister, I think you are not doing the right thing.
How?
You are not placing the authority to whom it's supposed to.
I still don't get you.
I know you are married to a good husband, yes, but you giving all your properties to brother Ukudili is a no when your husband is still alive.
So this is why you're worried, I guess.
Why would you hand over all your documents, your vital documents, to brother Ukudili? I think it's not right.
Chisom, I truly appreciate your concern, but I bet you're the one who is not getting it right here. Yes, all my properties, including the ones in the village, are all on my husband's name and his signature. I married a good man, and I'm never going to take him for granted. But don't forget, brother Okudili is also our relation. He's our blood. Making him in charge of all my properties and giving him our house key, I see absolutely nothing wrong with that. Okay?
I'm sorry. Maybe I didn't think well, but it's okay if you said so.
Yeah, and for the documents, he's not with them. My friend and my personal lawyer, Tochi, is with all our documents. Okay? So you have absolutely nothing to worry yourself about. Let me give you a glass of wine to relax your nerves.
Uncle, I got a call from a company asking me to come regards to the deal they have with my father. Yes.
Do you know the kind of deal they are talking about?
No, it was just a short call asking me to come by 9 o'clock in the morning.
Maybe they want to give us money now. You know our father invested in so many companies before he died. I
think my brother had never been involved in any genuine business. So, I find it difficult to believe this call.
Uncle, don't bother yourself. Don't just worry yourself, okay? I'll go and answer the call. I'll go with Ebuka.
No. You should get alone now. Go and come back and tell us what the meeting is all about. So
why are you talking like that? Why are you talking like that? You need money. You don't want to go for money. I will go with you. Yes, I'll go with you.
It's alright. It's alright. Nice one. But uncle?
No.
Ogene, ohe ni ki yano.
Ona na gupu si ma gupu.
Allow him. Ada gupu ya. I'm not sure.
Mama diri gozo na kenya. Mama diri yonyona. Mama diri chimuke. Mama diri.
You told me that your father was a businessman. You said that he was a shareholder in a famous transportation company in Nigeria.
Yes, I said it. Well, are you doubting me?
What other business did he do?
And what kind of jump question is that?
Jump question?
Yes.
Okudili, you told me! You told me otherwise! Your father was actually a fraudster. One that was captured by the government. And all of his properties confiscated. Your father, Mpage. Chief Solomon Onoha, aka Solo Cash, the famous 419er. Mpage.
Uju.
Megan.
Uju. Be careful.
You are a fraud. Ina Sigwogo.
Mwanka.
Linus Umba. That's why your name is Linus.
Would you mind the way you talk to me?
You lied your way into my heart. You defrauded me emotionally. And here I am, the wife of a lie. Go to police.
How can you talk to me like that? Are you mad? Why are you talking to me like that?
Why would I talk to you?
And why are you talking about my dead father like that?
Onyebu father. Onye wayo. Onye nekumadu 419. Is that man a father? Super father. Spell it. Go and join him. Because what you people do is nothing but defraud people. Defraud them of their hard-earned money. Defraud them of their emotions.
Mind the things you say.
Yes, sir.
Mind the things you say.
Meet me inside. Meet me inside.
Would you give me that water back? Give me that water, would you? Give me that.
Can you do more than this? Can you do more than this? Now, what can you do? Some.
Be careful. I know what is happening to you.
You
know what I
you will lie and still have confidence to warn me.
Don't try me.
If you love your life in this house, just follow me inside and begin to confess. I still need to go. All the lies you ever told since I got to know you, begin to confess. Because if I ever stumble on another like I stumbled on this one,
when I'm be a rap artist. I'm be a rap artist. I'm not coming. I know why you want me to come. You want me to come and do. I don't want to do. You go your way. You can't get me on this one. I don't want to do. I know why you're calling me. You can't try me. You can't try me. You can't try me. A rapper like you. Never knew I married a rap artist. You, Uju, you won't get me. Nonsense. What kind of rubbish is this now? Who is feeding her with all this jargon? Eh? What has come over her? Hey.
Don't you know that Chief Honora was a chronic criminal before he died?
Nobody told me.
Oh, I remember. You told me you lived with your aunt in Accra. You did not grow up in the village. That's true.
But my mother knew. Why didn't she tell me? Why?
Would that have made him not know about his son? No. Listen, baby. You still have time to leave that young man. Marry me. Let me make you my queen.
Please. I am married. Stop proposing marriage to me. Stop proposing marriage to me. Stop it.
But you told me you locked up your leg for him. Or have you opened it?
Stop talking about my marriage, my home, or my paradise I locked up. The important thing now is that mansion. I want to get into that mansion. Make it happen. I know you can.
Baby. Do you want to hear the truth about that mansion you are craving for?
What truth?
Amaka's mother, Chadugo, is the real owner of that mansion. Don't you know that?
I thought you and I are on the same page. Why are you trying to say things that will offend me? Because it's working.
No. I just want you to know the truth first.
I don't want to know. Don't tell me any truth. Keep the truth.
It's okay if that is how you want it. There's no problem. Don't be afraid. I'm with you. Don't panic. I'm with you. I'm with you on this one. 247.
Yes.
No. And you're not eating your food.
I'm eating. I'm fine.
Don't tell me that. Okay. What's bothering you?
Today in my office, I had that bad dream again. My love, I was short. I don't know. I don't really know what is going on in my life. Why am I having such dream?
It's okay. I think it's time for us to go for vacation. Okay?
God. Who have I offended? Who is doing this to me?
Baby, it's okay. You'll be fine. But right now, you need to move with security.